There's a secret to editing, and it's editing your sound bites in first, then building around them. Most people, when they edit one shot after another, like telling a story. That's just not efficient in video editing. You want to use the power of nonlinear editing. The key is edit your sound bites in first, then build your B-roll and cinema verite, or what I like to call chill footage, in between the sound bites, then go back in and add your narration. It's very efficient to edit this way. Much easier than if you just put one shot after another in the linear narrative that you think is going to make sense. Bring the bites in first, snake your B-roll and cinema verite or chill footage in between that, and then storytell on top of that using text or voiceover. This will be edit shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, voiceover over that. First soundbite.
I'm tired, but I feel...
Then some B-roll. This is called a setup shot. A setup shot, because this guy's speaking next.
It was awesome, though.
Some more B-roll.
Here, what day is it today, and how you feeling?
I am on Tuesday, and it is 8-something on Thursday.
Cool. More B-roll. Another bite. And then what I call the button shot. It kind of ends it. Walking away with their suitcase from over the week. So that's, in summary, bring in your sound bites first. Okay. Then bring in the B-roll. And then you can go one step further. You can add narration. Watch. New York City was the location for a Marvel movie marathon. 22 movies in a row. From Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. to Thursday at 8 p.m. Boom, we have some narration there. Then the first bite. I'm going to do what's called a split edit. If you notice, I double-clicked. Going to bring this in so the audio leads its picture a little bit. And let's split edit this one. And I'm going to split out of it too. And make sure that has audio. Good. And now let's watch the finished piece. It's not perfect, but look how quick I did it. New York City was the location for a Marvel movie marathon. 22 movies in a row. From Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. to Thursday at 8 p.m.
Most importantly. I'm tired, but I feel reinvigorated by the movie. I was here for a solid 3 days. I didn't leave. I left once to get some real food before Endgame, but other than that, I was here for all 59 hours or what has it. So... it was awesome, though. People were sleeping in the seats. People were sleeping on the floor if they had to. But
basically, the basic edit I came up with was based on the sound bites. So in summary, bring your sound bites in first. Use the insert editing function to then storytell between it. Add narration, and you're there. How cool is that? We hope to see you at one of our workshops, our 3-day or 2-day, but you can also find here extra information, free information that may help you as a filmmaker or a corporate video person. Tons of free information, video tutorials to help you skip the mistakes first-time filmmakers make. It's all here at DV Workshops. Look for our free production tutorials. For DV Workshops, I'm lead instructor Aaron Rainin.